Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude AI to Wix. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is the main workspace where you can access your account options and settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you are logged into the correct account before continuing, since the connector will be added there. Once you are on the Claude screen, look to the bottom left-hand side and click on your account area. This section usually gives you access to profile-related options, preferences, and setup tools. Opening it is the first step toward managing integrations and connected services. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. The Settings area is where Claude keeps configuration options for your account, including features that let you connect external tools and platforms. If you do not immediately see everything you need, give the page a moment to load fully. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. This section is specifically designed for linking Claude with other apps and services. Connectors help Claude work more directly with the tools you already use, which can make your workflow more efficient. Next, go to the top right and click Add. This opens the option to include a new connector in your account. After that, select Browse Connectors. This will show you the available integrations you can search through and enable. In the search field, type Wix. As you enter the name, the list should narrow down to matching results. When Wix appears, click on it to open the connector details. This is the page where you can begin the actual connection process. Now click the Connect button or any available button that starts the setup. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to approve permissions or confirm access between Claude and Wix. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what is being connected and what access is being granted. As a helpful tip, if the connection does not complete right away, double-check that you are signed in to the correct Wix account in your browser. It can also help to refresh the page and try again if the connector window does not load properly. Once the prompts are complete, your Wix connector should be added to Claude. At that point, the connection process is finished, and you can move on to using Claude with Wix as needed. That's it for this guide on connecting Claude AI to Wix.